Jess Croft, Unit 20. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is a relaxation exercise, body conditioning. So this will relax you to work on your monologues. So if you want to get into pairs, okay, I'll go with Sophie. So one of you is going to sausage the other person first, and then we'll swap round. So if I'll demonstrate with Sophie. So one person's going to take their arm, and they're just going to really like rub the arm in a sausage motion. So if you want to give that one a go.
Sausage. Go on.
And do it quite hard. So I'll relax. And then if you want to swap to the other arm. And then we're going to move on to the legs.
Can you show us how sausage is? It like?
We can do the same side again.
Okay. What? Yeah.
Yeah, same person. And then you're going to sausage the legs from the thighs to the calf to the flat. To the calf to the thighs. And then the firmer you do it, the more sausaging, it feels better for the other person.
Oh no.
But it gets more relaxed.
Oh no.
And then just to finish, you're going to make a little egg on their hand. Count to 3, and then let it go. And then you're going to swap round. So the other person sausage. So you get sausage. So start with the right arm again. And then just sausaging. And then swap to the left arm.
It's really relaxing actually.
And then to the legs.
Interesting idea. That's what I felt on mine.
And then the other leg. And then to finish, just a little egg on that. Count to 3. And then let it go. Then hopefully you feel more relaxed and ready to begin to work, but not yet. We're going to do some breathing exercises. So if you want to lay in that Alexander position. We're going to do some square breathing. So we're going to hold for 2, and then we're going to breathe in for 2, breathe in for 2, hold for 2, breathe out for 2, hold for 2. So if you want to breathe in for 2, hold for 2, out for 2, and then hold for 2. And then we're going to go for 4. So breathe in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4, hold for 4. And then 5. So in for 5, hold for 5, out for 5, and hold for 5. And 6, in for 6, hold for 6, out for 6, and hold for 6. If you need to stop, you can stop as well. Do you want to go to 7? Can we do 7? Yeah? For 7, ready? In for 1, hold, out, and hold. 8. 1. Hold. And out. And hold. Do you want to go any, do you feel like you can go further or? No, that's fine, then we can move to the next exercise. So this is kind of like a game to help with rhythm. So in like a Shakespeare monologue, there's the iambic pentameter. So this exercise is Big Booty, and it helps with getting the rhythm of the Shakespeare monologue. So if you want to stand back into a circle. So I'll be Big Booty, Big Booty. So then it'll be Big Booty 1, Big Booty 2, Big Booty 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, Big Booty. It goes Big Booty, 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 Big Booty 1, and then it'll go.
Big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty number 1.
Big
Are we going around the circle
Let's
first?
go around the circle
Okay.
first. Ready?
Big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty number 1.
Number 1, number 2.
Number 2, number 3, number 3, number 4.
Number 4, number 5, number 5, number 6.
Number 6, number 7, number 7, number 8, number 8, Big Booty. And then we'll keep going.
Around the circle still.
No, we'll pass it around
Okay.
the circle now. So shall we start?
Big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty.
Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty. Number 1.
Big booty always start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big Booty, number 1.
Okay.
Number 1, no. Wait, let's get the rhythm.
Big
Big booty, big booty, big booty, big booty.
Number 1.
Number 1, number 5.
Number 5, number 4, number 4, number 2.
Number 6, number 2. Number 2, number 3. Number 3, number 5.
Number 5, number 7.
Number 7, number 6. Number 6, number 8. Number 8, number 5.
Number 5 would be booty.
We lost it. Whoever lost it. The rhythm's really weird. It should just...
Big
It's big. Big.
booty.
Oh, you can't pass it. Yeah. Right. That's why it sounds weird when it's some well, if we all...
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Big
booty.
Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty.
Big booty.
What?
I can't do it as Big Booty. Does someone else want to do Big Booty? Because I really cannot do it as Big Booty. It throws me off. Thank you. Big Booty. Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty.
Big booty, number 5.
Number 5, number 4, number 4, number 6.
Number 6, number 2. Number 2, number 1. Number 1, number 8. You're out.
Out. Bad, Felicia.
So you go to 1, are we moving down?
No,
No, so
Sophie's
number
out.
6 is 8, so there's no
Oh,
number 8.
so
So
there's
we
just
just go to number 7 now.
Yeah,
Is it?
just go to number 7. So
Oh, that's
we,
quite big.
Sophie's staying in the circle so we can. Oh, that'd be
Why don't we just move the numbers down so everybody gets to play?
Okay, so what does that mean? So you're number 8.
So everybody moves up a number, so if it goes to 1.
Yeah.
So you're
No, Sophie goes big.
We don't have to move.
No.
Just change the number.
It's just so now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So you're still big booty.
Yeah.
Oh.
3, 2, I'm 2, 3, 4. Okay. Big Booty.
Big booty, big booty, big booty. Big booty, number 5.
5, number 6, number 6, number 4.
Oh, you're doing it really fast. You're doing
I think there needs,
Keep
to be,
the
there needs to be an
rhythm.
element of people getting knocked out.
Yeah,
Otherwise
it's
just
if
gonna-
you lose the rhythm, if you don't.
Yeah, you get knocked out, so it's not.
Okay, let's do it as a competition, and
So
then the winner
can
has
you
the
be number
best.
1? You're number 1.
Okay, right. Let's go again. This is
Well,
a competition now.
We're going to have to what?
The winner has the best rhythm.
Okay, that's
Ready?
good.
Big Booty. Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty.
Big booty, number 4.
You're out. You're out, Todd.
I was number 5.
No,
so
we
it's
went
just not
back.
again.
We went back. If you want to Henry.
No one told
Yeah.
me.
Can I-
Yes,
we'll start again.
No, sorry,
Yeah.
Todd's
Yeah.
out. Anybody else? We'll go on rather than Todd. Ready? Big Booty. Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty.
Big booty.
Number 7.
Number 7, number Todd. Sorry, Phoebe.
This is hard.
Ready? Big Booty. Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty.
Big booty, number 6.
Number 6, number 5.
Ow.
Sorry, Sophie.
Now we're going to try.
This is a savage game.
My 5 there.
You're really big Booty. Big Booty, Big Booty, Big Booty.
Big booty.
Number 3.
Number 3, number 4.
Number 4, number 5.
Number 5, number 2. Number 2, number 1. Number 2, number 5.
You're Big booty, big booty, big booty. Big booty number 4.
Number 4, number 2, number 2, number 4.
Off go.
Can you not do that?
No, can't go back to the
Not for
second
it,
one.
also it's very hard.
There's also
three now.
there's 3.
These
So
two.
I'm happy as well.
No, you're not allowed to send it back to big
I thought
booty.
you asked me.
Not now, you're not.
Oh, okay.
Big booty, big booty, big booty. Big booty number 2.
Number 2, number 1.
Number 1, number 3.
Number 2, number 2.
Number 2, number 1.
Number 2, number 1.
So did you go number 2, number 2?
No, she said number 2,
I
number
know,
1.
we're doing it very fast.
Or
No
number
one
3.
says it back to big booty.
No, no,
That's
we-
roasted.
Yeah, can we, so you're going to judge a move off now then?
Yeah, sure.
Oh.
Okay, go for it.
No, why? Wait, is it? I don't know why that happened.
I want to hear the move off.
I love how it's
pictures though. In different pictures. So
Well, it has
if you
to
do
be
it low, it has to be different styles that you can use your, well, different ways that you can use your voice. You can't just move. Okay, so get down. Sing the move for your vocal inspiration. No, they've got to do it in different ways, in different pictures.
Oh, and you
Yeah,
decide
like that,
where
yeah.
it goes.
Yeah,
I like
like
that.
that.
Yeah, we'll have to both look at each other then.
Yeah.
Wait, who's being clever?